I hope they stay around.
That's it.
That was a little bit more graceful than our friends on the Today Show. I'd like to introduce John Piper, Vice President and Creative Director of the Macy Space Studio. John?
Good afternoon, Jimmy. Hey, everybody, having a great time here at Universal Studios Orlando?
Yes!
I gotta tell you, for me and Chloe, it's just a little bit warmer than we're used to up north. But we're having a great time. As you can see, she's 25 feet tall, filled with air that continuously pumps inside of her. She's a combination of Macy Magic balloon and vehicle. So she's able to transverse the entire parade route entirely on her own, with a little guidance from a pilot out front, as my friend Carmen was helping me today, so I didn't bump into anybody's tripods.
Excuse me? You're letting a lot of air out right now. Okay.